Hi, in this video I will teach AI to cross the road. First of all, let's get to know our agent. As incoming information for our AI, we will use such information as the position of the agent, the rotation of the agent, and the distance to the other side of the road. Also, to keep our agent from colliding with cars, it is equipped with 20 rays that emerge from its center and are directed in all directions. Our agent can perform 6 actions: run forward, stand in place, run backwards with his spent health, turn left, turn right, or do not turn. After getting to know the agent, we move on to our environment, in which he will be trained. Our agent will appear from the left side of the road. Their goal is to cross the road without hitting any cars. Our neural networks will be trained using reinforcement learning, which I talked about in the previous video. The basis of reinforcement learning is to get a reward for interaction with the environment. So what will our agent be rewarded? Obviously we should give a reward for crossing the road. Now our agent gets 5 points for performing this action. He should also get negative reinforcement by colliding with cars, minus 5 points. And that's where the problem arises, how to make AI cross the road, if in order to get a reward it needs to cross the entire road, without crashing into any car. Now we have a situation where the agent is just afraid to go out of the road, because there are dangerous cars waiting for him. To solve this problem, I have introduced an additional, small reward. Each time the agent performs an action, it compares the current distance to the other side of the road with the last maximum distance it has already covered in this attempt. If the current distance is less than the last, the agent gets 500 of a point, otherwise we take away 5000 of a point. Let's see how he learns. As soon as I start the training, the agents began to explore the environment, and right from the start, thanks to small rewards, they are already moving in the right direction. After only 100,000 steps. Most of the agents are already crossing the road and dodging cars. After 5 million steps, there's a strategy of walking from side to side to maximize the reward. After 15 million steps, the side-to-side walking strategy progresses, especially at the end of the path. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.